How to configure Wavlink range extender as an access point. Follow the steps below. Use your phone to connect to the Wavlink repeater. Wavlink. Default without password. Find the Wavlink IP address. That IP address is 192.168.10.1. Open a web browser, enter 192.168.10.1. Username, admin. Password, admin. Select app mode. Set a name for Wavlink and SID box. Example, Wavlink app. Security type, WPA/PAT2PSK. Set wireless password and security key box. Example, 123456789. Click Apply to complete. Change settings successfully. This is the information after installation. Connect between Wavlink and the main router using LAN cable. One end of the LAN cable connects Wavlink's LAN port. The other end of the LAN cable connects to the main router's LAN port. Check the results. Network name, Wavlink app. Password, 123456789. Successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.